Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. Today is a full day of eating on the bulk. The bulk continues. Some new developments for this bulk. I have stopped tracking. I was tracking pretty consistently for a long time, and since I was doing it so much, I feel like it was really easy for me to tell now what a full day of eating should look like that makes sense for me, where I'm still hitting my surplus and my protein goal. And it is a little bit more relaxed. I'm comfortable in the bulk and making steady progress, and also really just enjoying life and not getting too hung up on the nitty gritties. So that's what today's gonna look like. I'm starting with coffee as usual. This is a double espresso. I'm gonna get a quick breakfast going today. I'm thinking oatmeal. Ooh. The last time I made oatmeal, someone said I should be making it with milk instead of water, so I thought I would give that a try today. I do usually make it with water though, but I'm also going to be adding honey. I'm really low on honey. I have 2 dates that I already pre-pitted for myself, and cinnamon. I'd also add like a banana if I had one, but I don't. This will do. I know oats are most commonly made with like protein powder, like protein oats, but I've never been able to get a texture that was like anything decent. Whenever I add whey protein to oatmeal, it gets so grainy and really hard to eat. So I've just stopped, because oats are really good for you as a breakfast, even if they don't have a ton of protein. And I usually just have a protein shake anyway, so let's try it with milk. Still hot. It's actually so much better with milk. Thank you, commenter. I'm gonna eat my oats with milk now. For lunch today, I am meeting my mom for a little mother-daughter date, and we're going to eat one of my favorite things of all time to eat, hot pot. But it's not just hot pot, it is hot pot all you can eat buffet. Yeah. This is my favorite thing ever, and very bulk friendly because you can get tons of meat, vegetables, noodles, everything. Very balanced meal, and eat to your heart's content. So, yeah, gonna be meeting her for lunch. That was delicious. The lady who owns the shop, it's like a family business, and she's really sweet. I love going there. If you're in Aiea and you want some hot pot, go to Pot Pot Shabu Buffet. It looks like this. Go and support my favorite auntie. Okay, that's it for lunch. Okay, it's time for a little snack. If you see a huge mess behind me, don't worry about it. I'm having a cookie. This is homemade pistachio cream stuffed in a dark chocolate chip cookie. Nutritional value, low. Happiness value, pie. This is my last one. This is not real, by the way. This is from my Halloween costume. It looks so cool. I got it on Etsy. And if you didn't already know, it's Ellie's tattoo from The Last of Us, because I dressed up as Ellie for Halloween. Dinner time! I'm going to be making beef taco bowls. So if you remember my video from a couple weeks ago, it's very similar. Just kind of, instead of a burger, it's a taco. So I'm gonna start with rice. I will be using rice as my carb for this one. I also have my little brothers coming over for dinner, so I need to make enough for myself and 2 growing boys. For my taco toppings, I have some leftover red onion. Ooh, I'm like doing the splits right now. Cilantro, cheese, and then some sliced avocado and lime. Toppings are ready. I'm just gonna leave this now so it's like fresh when I put it on the bowl. Time to cook the beef. Whoa, it got really steamy. Garlic powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, and chili powder. You smell it?
Oh yeah.
Waft it. Oh, what are you eating?
Oh, look, peanut butter cup?
Perfect.
Peanut butter cup. Dark chocolate. Ooh. Here's my finished bowl. This is Dominic's. A lot of avocado.
Wait, mine's not.
Whoa, Kaden, what the heck is that?
Wait, mine is not done. I like it. That one. I mean, mine.
Nice. I think
wait.
mine's the best.
Mine is not done. Okay, mine is done now.
It still looks goofy. Why do you have a used lime in there?
It's more flavor.
This is freaking delicious. What do you guys like better? Taco beef bowls or burger bowls?
Wait, what?
You know what time it is. What's a day of bulking without a protein shake? 100% grass-fed whey. This is chocolate peanut butter. 1 scoop. Creatine. Lastly, colostrum. Chocolate flavor for the ultimate protein nightcap. To the bulk. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to lift, laugh, and love. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.